move to OTT, I think the struggle was that everyone said, don't ham, TV actors ham, don't ham. Never ham. TV actors don't ham. The problem is the dhananan sound music in the background. No one is doing dhananan 3 times on TV. Please. When they say your life looks like a fairy tale, you bloomed like a butterfly. You don't realize the struggle from a cocoon to a butterfly.
Yeah.
But I don't really take career advice from anyone. So I don't have too many friends also from the same industry for a good enough reason, because I don't want too many opinions. I never needed a godfather, to be honest. I had too much faith in myself. I believe I'm my own godfather, and my talent, my work, and my hard work and dedication will take me places.
Hello, Crystal. Welcome to E-Times TV.
Hi. Thank you so much for having me here today.
क्रिस्टल, अगर आपकी जर्नी की बात करें तो किसी फेरी टेल से कम नहीं है. You started off from TV, playing, the simple girl next door roles, and now you're doing such great work in, OTT, film bhi aane wali hai aapki, and now, this music video. When you look back, what visuals do you get? And how proud you feel?
I still remember my first day of shoot as a 16-and-a-half-year-old girl on set in a studio in Click Nixon. I have those flashes almost every day of almost giving up. I remember the end of that first day of shoot. I went back to my house. I sat with my mom and I said, I don't think I can do this. And my parents gave me the confidence that it's just day one. Why don't you hang in there? Why don't you try harder? And little did I know, this is something that I don't think I can ever not do in my life. I don't know to do anything else other than act. So, I don't know if it's a fairy tale journey. At least that's how it's portrayed to the world. But there was a lot of struggle. When they say your life looks like a fairy tale, you bloomed like a butterfly. You don't realize the struggle from a cocoon to a butterfly.
Yeah.
It's a very hard struggle. So, yes, I have struggled very hard. I have, worked my way into, finding projects, going for auditions, being there, being present, picking up on opportunities that I can, never taking favors, never, everything that I've done today, I can happily and gladly say was all because I worked hard towards it. So I feel like it may look like a fairy tale, but it's more of a butterfly tale.
Yeah. But how was your initial phase, Crystal? Were there challenges? Were there rejections? Failures and rejections aisa tha ki how did you deal with it?
So to begin with, when I did TV, my biggest struggle was Hindi. Kyunki coming from a Catholic background, born and brought up in Mumbai, convent educated, I did not know how to speak proper Hindi, and my parents never spoke to me in Hindi. My friends never spoke to me in Hindi. So just tutoring myself in Hindi, getting stronger there was a struggle in itself. And then from TV to move to OTT, I think the struggle was that everyone said, don't ham, TV actors ham, don't ham. Never ham. TV actors don't ham. The problem is the dhananan sound music in the background. No one is doing dhananan 3 times on TV. Please.
Yeah.
And then to move into films, of course, that was a very big struggle because you are typecasted. No matter what you do, you are typecasted for being overexposed because of TV.
Yeah.
And to get the right film and for somebody to believe that a TV actor can make it into films is very, very difficult. Thanks to my director Rumi sir and my producer Anand Pandit, they believed that they needed a strong actor, and that comes from TV because TV actors are very strong. They are very good at what they do, and the value of a TV actor is only known when you give them a monologue and you ask them to enact it in 5 minutes, and they will do it with full emotion.
Yeah.
So, the struggle was difficult. People always typecast and label and love to label. But you have to go through it and grow past it because have faith in yourself. That's all.
But I'm sure, it must be very difficult for you because as you say कि इंडस्ट्री में गॉडफादर होने का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस होता है और गॉडफादर होना जरूरी है, स्पेशली इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू मेक योर नेम इन बॉलीवुड. वहां पर आपका गॉडफादर होना जरूरी है. एंड प्लस यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ टीवी बैकग्राउंड जहाँ पर हमेशा ये बोला जाता है कि यू आर टू एक्सपोज्ड, यू नो, टीवी एक्टर्स को नहीं लेना है क्योंकि वो तो हर दिन, यू नो, 365 days they are seen on camera. What were the challenge that you faced?
I mean, I never needed a godfather, to be honest. I had too much faith in myself. I believe I'm my own godfather, and my talent, my work, and my hard work and dedication will take me places. Sometimes you have to have faith in yourself than bank on somebody else to be doing it for you. So, hats off to the people who have godfathers. Even they have a lot to live up to.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine if my parents were actors, I would have a whole legacy to live up to. And maybe I would not be able to, they would always compare me to my parents. So, you know, even star kids have their own struggle where they are always living up to something. Here, I've started from scratch. I'm doing my own thing. People like it, they blame me. They hate it, they blame me. It's not coming to my family. So, you know, both have their pros and cons. I always believe that एक डॉक्टर का बेटा डॉक्टर बनने के लिए बढ़ेगा ना, तो इवन एन एक्टर्स चाइल्ड विल वांट टू लुक एट देयर पेरेंट्स एंड बी लाइक, मैं एक दिन बड़े होके मैं मॉम डैड की तरह बनना चाहती हूँ. सो that's something that I don't regard. I am my own godfather. I have worked hard. I have reached where I have without anybody's help. Hats off to me. But I don't disregard anybody else for where they have been born and what they have been given.
But did you miss out on chances when you were told that, you know, आप तो टीवी से आए हो? क्योंकि बीच में बहुत होता था ये, I think 3-4 years पहले तो ये बहुत ज्यादा होता था जब आपको बोला जाता था कि, you know, टीवी से आए हो, आप बहुत ओवर एक्सपोज्ड हो.
बहुत बार होता है. This is a very normal line that I have been getting. 5 projects and been told कि you're a TV actor, so we cannot take you. And I learned to live with it, thinking their loss. That's it. When films and I saw what happened with it, I said, you know what, something bigger is in store for me. What better than where I have reached? I'm doing my debut with Amitabh Bachchan. I would have been doing it with somebody who didn't even respect a TV actor. I mean,
yeah,
there are always pros, always.
Talking about, you know, moving from TV to OTT and then Bollywood, I'm sure आपको काफी सारे suggestions मिलते होंगे जब आप, you know, try कर रहे हो. आपको लोग बोलते होंगे नहीं ये मत करो, if you are exposing too much, or if you're trying negative, पहले ही आपको TV में Bollywood में अच्छे roles नहीं मिलेंगे. I'm sure ऐसे suggestions तो आपको मिले होंगे.
I mean, पता है, I don't really take career advice from anyone. So even, I mean, I don't have too many friends also from the same industry for a good enough reason, because I don't want too many opinions. So ऐसा मुझे किसी ने कभी नहीं बोला कि आपको ये करना चाहिए कि वो करना चाहिए. People that know me know that I love to live my life my way. तो अगर मुझे 10 और टीवी शो अभी भी करना है तो मैं वही करूंगी. अगर मुझे कल को एक और म्यूजिक वीडियो करना है मैं वही करूंगी. मेरा दिल वहां होना चाहिए. And more than anything else, the character, the script needs to be strong. The platform does not matter. I can go back to TV tomorrow if I get a really strong character and a script, or do another OTT, or do another film, or even do a street play. Because I'm an actor, I can perform anywhere. That's not, the platform doesn't matter to me. मेरा तो I'm being paid for my skill of acting. Doesn't matter where you're going to put it.
Yeah, right. Also, how does Crystal unwinds herself? अगर उनको अपने फ्री टाइम में कुछ करना होता है, चिल करना होता है, क्या चीजें उनको करना पसंद है?
मुझे I'm a binge watcher. So I put on a series and I can finish it in one day, and that's my way of relaxing. I totally binge watch on a lot of OTT shows. Also, music is something that I listen to all day, all night. You know, I wake up with music. I play music while I'm having a shower, while I'm eating breakfast, while I'm going to sleep. I love music. It just eases me out. And that's about it. Just binge watching shows. Binge watching shows also helps me. It's like a homework to see what all is going on. You know, what kind of shows are being made. See characters, see actors, see how they are performing.
But आजकल का जो gloomy situation है, Crystal, you know, so much happening around. What are the things that you are doing to stay positive and to help people and, you know, just be safe? You
know, I don't know how much I can help people. In whatever capacity I can, I do. But more than anything else, I'm trying to be safe myself. You know, I came to Goa last month on the 15th, and I've stayed here. I'm staying put till the time I don't feel safe enough to fly back. Only getting out for essentials, double masking, taking all precautions, because I don't want to go back to Bombay, infect the people that I love, and it's not the best and easiest time in life, but I'm doing my bit of staying safe. I've applied for my vaccination, and I'm going to get vaccinated as soon as my number comes. But I urge everybody out there to please stay home or stay put wherever you are, stay safe, get vaccinated, because vaccinations are open for above 18, so there's no reason why you shouldn't.
Thank you so much, Crystal. It was amazing talking to you. Thanks for taking out time. All the best for future, and be happy, stay safe.
Thank you, Vijay Lakshmi. Lovely speaking to you.
Bye.